The UK government targets international students. Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. On this channel, I talk about my life here in the UK, what is happening around me, and I share information. I also do reaction videos on this channel. So if this content sounds like what you'll be interested in, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I post any new video. And for my returning subscribers, I see you guys. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. So on this article, it says that new UK government video target international students. So if you're planning to come to the UK to study this year, 2025, or you're planning to relocate to the UK this year, then watch this video from the beginning to the end. I came into this country in 2018, that's 6 years ago, on a student visa. I was a dependent, so my husband came here to study. So a lot of difference, like so many things has changed in this country. So this time around, the Secretary of State for Education, Bridget Phillipson, just released a video targeting international students. So I'll be giving you guys breakdown of what is currently happening here in the UK. But before then, today's video is being sponsored. So guys, I got this cute bag from babalabags.co. If you want this bag, click on the information down below. So here comes my cute bag. Voila guys. So guys, here comes my beautiful purple Gucci bag. So babalabag.co specializes in producing high quality leather bags. So if you're looking for any type of bag, all you need to do is to click on the link down below and check out their website. I'm also going to leave a contact number, email address so that you can chat them. If there's any bag, shoes, wears that you want, feel free to send them a message. They will respond to you ASAP. I love this bag. I picked this bag myself and I love everything about this bag. This is what it looks like. Can you see how neat the inside looks? Can you guys see the finishing is so cute? You can use this bag as a party bag, or if you're going to club or visiting a friend, casual, it doesn't matter. This bag serves multi-purpose. Can you guys see? This can also be a purse. It also has a hand chain. Let me bring it out for you guys to see. So guys, here is the hand chain. You can just fix in the hand chain, and if you don't want this chain, you can just use it as a purse. It's so cute. They have so many bags on their website. You can also use my referral code for a discount. So if you need one of this bag, please click on the link down below and check them out. I am sure you will like it, because me, I am loving this bag. The quality is amazing, beautiful, and the finishing is everything. Very, very neat. This is pure leather. So go check them out. I am sure you like this bag. So it said on this article, Secretary of State for Education, Bridget Phillipson, addresses students considering to study abroad, highlighting the benefit of UK education and promoting the country post-study work opportunities. In the new academic year, we will welcome thousands of international students who will be starting course in our universities, and I hope to see many more in the future, Phillipson in the video shared by the UK Council for International Student Affairs. The UK is a wonderful and safe place to study. Our country is a home to some of the very best universities in the world. 4 of the world top 10 can be found right here in the UK. So before I go further, if you're planning to study in the UK, here is the first document. This is the first set of documents you will need. Number 1, you need your degree certificate or HND certificate. Number 2, you need your WAEC. Number 3, you need your international passport data page. Number 4, you need a CV. The 5th one is your personal statement. The 6th one is 2 reference letter. Now, some university will want you to write IELTS. Some are not bothered with the English test. So here are the first set of documents you need if you're planning to study in the UK. So as soon as you have this document ready, one part check. So one part is done. Advertising or promoting UK university. Here is the thing. UK has changed so many rules. In the past, when you're coming, like I said, I was a dependent. You can come in with your children, wife, and all of that. But UK government stopped it last year. If you're coming to study degree or masters, you cannot bring your wife and children, except you're coming in on a research course or PhD. That's where you can come with your wife and children. But if not, you cannot come. So there have been so many articles saying that the UK are currently going through a lot. And this is what it says about UK's, having challenges with international students, and which is affecting so many universities and also affecting UK economy, because to be honest, they are using the international student money to boost their economy, and they are using us to make good money in this country. And now she's targeting international students because there's kind of decrease in international student application. I mean, how will you pay thousands of pounds? Mind you, after that first part of you having those documents, the next part is the money aspect. If you're coming to study, some universities 13,000, some 15,000. After that one, you're paying IHS fee. After which IHS fee they have increased it. After IHS fee, you're paying for visa fee. After visa fee, you have to show a proof of fund in your bank account between 900 to 1,600 depending on the what's it called, your location. If you're staying in London, it's high. So if you're staying in like West Yorkshire here where I live, it's a bit less compared to people staying in London. If you're staying somewhere around London and your living expenses around maybe 1,300 per month, you have to, I'm just using an example, you have to times that money times 12. So now add all of that to your school fees, you'll be looking around £30,000 to study in the UK for 1 year course. So this is for 1 year course, so almost £30,000. Then imagine you're going for PhD or a research that is 2 years, times it by two. That means you're looking around £60,000. Hey, hey. Now, for those of you that don't know, I'm a Nigerian living here in the UK, and I know how the exchange rate is now. So when I see people coming to the UK from Nigeria, I carry hand for them because it's a lot. It's expensive. Anyway, Bridget Phillipson is targeting international students this year 2025 so that you guys can come to the UK to study. But then again, they don't want to consider international students that have family. Instead, they are increasing the fee. This is what it says on a separate article. It says the financial pressure facing universities continue to mount after the latest immigration figure show a sharp fall in the number of international applicants wanting to study in the UK. And now the Secretary of the State for Education, Bridget Phillipson, is here promoting the post-study opportunity, trying to convince people to come here to study because of the 2 years post-study. And mind you, that 2 years post-study, if you do not get any company that will sponsor you, or you're not self-sponsored, like sponsor yourself, there's no way you stay in the country. Although it's a pathway. If you enter the country, there's still better opportunity, or there's still a way for you to migrate from UK to another country, which is still good. I've seen a couple of people that enter this country from UK, they apply for visa and move to the US. So I have seen some person it work for. So if you're one of those persons that are planning to Japa, better calculation needs to be involved. I did a rundown of what it will cost you. I'm not saying it's exact amount, but around that range it will cost you to come to this UK to study. He went further saying an education from a British university has been the springboard for success for so many global trailblazers, from politics to business, from art to the science. In fact, dozens of current and recent world leaders study here in the UK, and our universities have driven some of the most exciting and valuable research anywhere in the world. You could be part of that next breaking wave of research and join a new generation of inspiring leaders, she told prospective students. Phillipson went on to describe some of the ways in which UK universities support their international students through pastoral support, work experience, scholarship, and bursary. Anyway, all Phillipson is trying to do is to convince you, international students, to come to the UK to study. So if you're watching this video, or you know anybody that is planning to come to the UK to study, are you guys still coming in to study this year 2025, or you're considering another country? If yes, leave it on the comment section. If you also have questions on anything that has to do with international student or study visa in the UK, feel free to leave me a comment on the comment section. I'll try my best and get back to you. Bye.